Joe, Beermaster of a Chevy Silverado here. I'm going to show you how to reset the tire pressure monitoring system when the light comes on in your dash. This usually happens when the tires are either rotated or replaced or anything like that. When you get a flat, the light will come on. The computer memorizes the position of each tire. So even if you rotate it, it's going to come on. So you have to get it to relearn the position of the tire. So the first thing we want to do is get into the truck and turn the key onto the on position without starting the vehicle. Now you can see the signal flashing there. Next thing we want to do is put our foot on the emergency brake down. Then we want to place our fingers on the keypad. We're going to hit both lock and unlock until we hear 2 beeps. Alright, there's the 2 beeps. Now we're going to go outside. So we're going to notice that the lights are on, the park lights are on the vehicle, and we're going to start with the driver's front tire, and we're going to let air out until we hear the beeps. You start with the driver's front tire, passenger's front, passenger's rear, then driver's rear. There's our beep. Now we're going to go around to each tire and do the same thing in the order. Alright, now that we got the beeps from each tire, we're going to go back in and we're going to turn the key in the off position and take our foot off the brake. Emergency brake release. And the retraining is completed, and now we're going to look at the manufacturer's tire pressure recommendations, which is in the jam here, and we're going to fill the tires to that pressure that's recommended on this tag. And that's it.